Welcome to the ultimate Kusadasi Turkey travel guide. If you're wondering how to make the most of 5 days in this incredible city that blends history, culture, and modern charm, you're in the right place. Nestled on the Aegean coast, Kusadasi is a vibrant city where ancient ruins meet bustling bazaars. It's a place where you can stroll through centuries-old streets in the morning and soak up the sun on sandy beaches in the afternoon. So buckle up as we embark on an unforgettable journey. Day 1 takes us to the heart of history, Ephesus, ancient city, and the Library of Celsus. A former capital of the Roman province of Asia, Ephesus is a treasure trove of ancient grandeur. Once a bustling metropolis, it is now a symbol of the bygone era, attracting historians and explorers from all corners of the world. As you walk through the marble streets, you'll be greeted by the remnants of the past that blend seamlessly with the present. The ruins of grand theatres, agoras, baths, and temples tell tales of a rich history, echoing with the footsteps of Greek and Roman citizens who once called this place home. Among the ruins, the Library of Celsus stands with an undeniable charm. Built in the 2nd century AD, it was a mausoleum for Gaius Julius Celsus Ptolemaianus, the governor of the province of Asia. The library was designed to store 12,000 scrolls and to serve as a monumental tomb for Celsus. The facade of this architectural marvel is a sight to behold, with its 2-story structure adorned with Corinthian-style columns and statues symbolizing wisdom, knowledge, intelligence, and virtue. It's a testament to the grandeur of the Roman Empire. Within the library, the inscription in honor of Celsus can still be read in its original text. It's a humbling experience, standing in the presence of a structure that has weathered the sands of time, yet continues to inspire awe and admiration. As you explore further, you'll find the terrace houses, also known as the houses of the rich. These houses, with their intricate mosaics and frescoes, provide a glimpse into the luxurious lifestyle of the Ephesus elite. Let's not forget the great theatre with its impressive capacity of 25,000 spectators. It's easy to imagine the grand spectacles and gladiatorial combats that once filled this vast space. After a day steeped in history, rest well, for tomorrow brings another exciting adventure. On day 2, we delve deeper into the spiritual side of Kusadasi, visiting the House of the Virgin Mary and St. John's Basilica. Our first stop is the House of the Virgin Mary, perched atop Bulbul Mountain. According to Christian tradition, this is the place where Mary, the mother of Jesus, spent her final years. The small stone house, now a chapel, is a pilgrimage site for many who come to pay their respects and drink from the sacred spring. The atmosphere here is one of peaceful reverence, a stark contrast to the bustling city below. Next, we journey to St. John's Basilica, an architectural marvel from the Byzantine era. It's said that St. John the Evangelist, the author of the Book of Revelation, lived and wrote in Ephesus, and after his death a tomb was built for him. In the 6th century, the Emperor Justinian erected this magnificent basilica over the tomb, befitting the saint's stature. The basilica, now in ruins, still retains its grandeur. The central nave, flanked by columns and adorned with mosaics, once held throngs of worshippers. The crypt, believed to contain St. John's tomb, is a solemn reminder of the life and work of this apostle. As we wander through the remains of the basilica, we're transported back in time, imagining the sermons that echoed through these halls, the prayers whispered in hushed tones, the candles flickering in the dim light. It's a tangible connection to the past, a testament to the enduring faith that has shaped so much of our world's history. And let's not forget the panoramic view from the basilica's grounds. Overlooking the Aegean Sea, it's a site that, much like the basilica itself, is a blend of the ethereal and the earthly. So there we have it, a day spent in quiet contemplation, immersed in history and spirituality. It's a different side of Kusadasi, a side that speaks to the soul, that stirs the heart, and that quite literally elevates us. As we end our day 2, we look forward to the natural beauty that awaits us tomorrow. Day 3 is all about relaxation and natural beauty as we visit Ladies Beach and Pigeon Island. Ah, Ladies Beach. Despite its name, this sandy oasis welcomes everyone, not just the ladies. Picture yourself lounging on the sandy shore, the sun warming your skin as the soft whisper of waves serenades you. It's a paradise of sun, sea, and serenity. If you're feeling a bit more adventurous, there's a host of water sports to dive into, from jet skiing to parasailing. As for amenities, Ladies Beach has got you covered. There's a tantalizing array of beachfront restaurants and cafes serving up delicious local and international cuisine, and let's not forget the ice cream stands, the perfect antidote to the Turkish sun. Next, we set sail to Pigeon Island, a small but stunning island that's a stone's throw from the Kusadasi coast. It's home to the beautiful Byzantine castle, a sight to behold against the backdrop of the sparkling Aegean Sea. The island is a haven for birdwatchers. The eponymous pigeons are just the start. There's also a charming cafe where you can sip on a cup of traditional Turkish tea while enjoying the panoramic sea view. The island is connected to the mainland by a causeway, making it easily accessible for everyone. It's a tranquil escape from the bustling city, a place where time seems to stand still. After a day of sun and sea, prepare for an exhilarating boat tour tomorrow. On day 4, we set sail on a boat tour to the stunning Dilik Peninsula National Park. Now imagine the gentle sway of the boat, the caress of the warm sea breeze, and the sun-dappled waves lapping against the hull. The journey on itself is an experience to relish, a moment to breathe in the salty air and marvel at the cerulean canvas of the Aegean Sea. As we glide closer to the Dilik Peninsula, the landscape shifts dramatically. The lush, verdant coastline of the national park comes into view. It's a sprawling expanse of green that seems to stretch endlessly, peppered with rocky outcrops and secluded beaches. The park is a sanctuary of biodiversity, a testament to Turkey's commitment to preserving its natural wonders. Now let's delve into the heart of the park. As we tread along the trails, the symphony of nature fills the air. The rustling leaves, the chirping birds, and the distant roar of the sea form a harmonious soundtrack to our exploration. The park is home to a diverse range of flora and fauna. From the towering pine trees to the vibrant wildflowers, every turn unveils a new spectacle of nature's artistry. It's not just about the plants, though. The park is a haven for wildlife. Keep your eyes peeled for the playful squirrels darting between the trees, and you might even spot the occasional wild boar. Birdwatchers will be thrilled by the variety of species that call the park home, from the majestic eagles soaring overhead to the shy owls nestled in the treetops. The park is a paradise for avian enthusiasts. As we saunter back to the boat, we take a moment to soak in the serenity, the magic of Dilik Peninsula National Park. It's been a day of discovery, of immersing ourselves in the raw beauty of nature. It's been a day of making memories that will be etched in our hearts forever. As we dock, we look forward to our final day in Kusadasi, filled with shopping and entertainment. But for now, we hold on to the lingering scent of the sea and the whispers of the wind, a beautiful reminder of our journey through the Dilik Peninsula National Park. Our final day in Kusadasi is dedicated to shopping at the bustling Kusadasi bazaar and ending the day with a traditional Turkish night show. Picture this: a maze of narrow, winding streets brimming with stalls and shops that offer a cornucopia of goods. Welcome to Kusadasi Bazaar, a true shopper's paradise. Here you'll find everything from hand-woven Turkish rugs, vibrant ceramics and intricate jewelry to locally made olive oil soaps, aromatic spices and delectable Turkish delight. It's a vibrant kaleidoscope of colors, scents and sounds that is sure to delight your senses. But the bazaar isn't just about shopping. It's also a fantastic place to immerse yourself in the local culture. Don't hesitate to engage with the friendly vendors. Their stories, their bargaining skills and their warm Turkish hospitality are part of what makes this experience truly unique. And who knows, you might even pick up a few words of Turkish along the way. As the sun sets, we set off to experience a traditional Turkish night show. This isn't just any night out, it's a cultural feast that brings together the very best of Turkish music, dance and cuisine. Imagine yourself in an atmospheric venue, the air thick with anticipation. The lights dim and the show begins. You're treated to a spectacle of whirling dervishes spinning in hypnotic rhythms, belly dancers moving with captivating grace, and folk dancers stomping and twirling in a display of vibrant costumes and energetic choreography. The music is a symphony of traditional instruments, creating sounds that are at once hauntingly beautiful and utterly invigorating. And let's not forget the food. a sumptuous spread of Turkish delicacies that will leave your taste buds dancing long after the performance has ended. As our journey ends, it's clear that Kusadasi offers an unforgettable blend of history, culture, and modern charm. Thank you for exploring with us.